Hey, it's Ryan. I wanted to show you how to measure your U-bolts real quick. So this is a factory F24 F250 with the tow package, high output truck. This truck came with 13.5-inch U-bolts. Every truck's a little different, so measure them before you order. 13.5-inch U-bolts, and it came with a 2-inch block. It's as simple as just tape measure from the inside of the top of the U-bolt to the bottom of the threads, and then the block height. So I also removed my traction control leaf on this truck since we installed our torque extraction bars. But if you're not removing that, that factors into your heights, obviously. So we came out with 2 3/4 inches were removed. This is a 5-inch block right here that was installed. So we need to make up the difference in our U-bolt, 2 1/4 inch. So this is a 13.5-inch U-bolt, and I did some stuff with the bottom plates as well. So I went back in with a 17-inch U-bolt. We've got 15-inch, 17-inch, and 19-inch options. The 15s are going to be the same diameter as factory because it's not much longer. Once we step into the 17 and 19-inch U-bolts, you can see we go from a 5/8 to a 3/4 inch on our U-bolt kits. That's just for additional safety and strength. When you step up to the 3/4 inch U-bolt, if you're retaining your factory bottom plates, we sell this drill bit, 13/16 drill bit, part number 101384, or just any 13/16 drill bit, to open up those 4 holes on the bottom of your under axle plates and adapt to the 3/4 inch U-bolt. This will still fit your factory blocks, factory springs, R blocks, fits around it all, just won't pass through that bottom plate. So that's about all there is. Measure your U-bolts before ordering, figure out exactly how much height you want to lift the rear of the truck. Our kits are fully adjustable in the front end, so you kind of have to pick your rear, pick the block height correctly, pick the U-bolt length correctly, and that's really only choices you have when ordering our 3.5 to 5.5 inch kit. Super straightforward.